The train is leaving. Safe journey.
We will. Take care.
Goodbye. Come back soon.
Look at the colors.
It's so beautiful.
He loves it.
Hold still, my dear. I'm almost done.
Okay, Amma, it feels nice.
There, all finished.
I love this! It's so peaceful! Look, the rain! Oh, you're getting wet! It's amazing!
Hot tea and biscuits?
Yes, 1 tea, please.
Of course, madam.
We'll have 2 more.
And a biscuit! Look, the waterfalls!
Wow.
He's sleeping soundly. Look at it go! So fast!
My dear children, this lantern has seen many journeys.
What stories does it tell,
It
Grandma?
whispers of our family's love.
Wow, a rainbow!
Yes, it's beautiful, isn't it?
Just like you.
Amma, it's raining so much.
Yes, my dear. Hold still while I finish your hair.
Okay, Amma.
There, all done.
This is so good.
I'm glad you like it.
It's the best.
It is.
This is so much fun. The food is delicious.
Best train ride ever.
Yay!
Mama, look, the sky is angry.
It's just a storm, Beta. We're safe here.
I've got you.
Careful, watch your step.
Yes, I've got the baby.
There, we're all down.
It feels good to be back.